What's the name of this one?
This is prison.
Where? The prison?
Prison? Yeah.
This is the food. This is the food and the prisoners them.
This is the food that we are serving the public.
The public. Alright. Number one so far. So far. We only tried 4. We only tried 4 thus far, but this is number 1. Thank you. Welcome back to our channel, and today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, peoples. We are heading to church. Say hello, young fam.
Hello.
Guys, tell me the truth. See color, you know, this is showing it as blue, but it's actually teal, and it's very pretty. I really love my husband in this shirt. He look really cute, really handsome. Baby girl drinking her juice and Cara as well. So yes guys, we're going to church. It has been a while, to be honest, since we go to church, and the last time I think was in Jamaica on Mother's Day. It's just a lot of things, people, a lot of things. But yes, we're going to church this morning to give God all the glory, all the praise. And after, oh no, I forgot my ring. Afterwards, we are going to Cayman Jerk Fest to try out their wings, people. So come along with us. Comments down below if you're going to church this morning. If so, which church are you heading to? We are heading to, what name my church, you know? Bad with names. I don't remember the name of the church, but we're going to Georgetown. That's where our church is at. So yes guys, come along with us. So yes guys, church finished, church over, and we're heading to it was a blessing. So come along with us guys. We're going to the Cayman Jerk Fest and Wings. Yeah, Jerk, Wings and Jerk. Cayman Jerk Fest? Cayman Jerk Wings Fest. Some other sort. Or Cayman Jerk and Wings Fest. Yes, I think that's what it's called, babe. So I can't wait to eat the jerk with the wings. Them I pray they're nice and delicious. So come along with us, guys. Passing. The fest is passing. The festival. The Jerk Festival is passing. Because it's just passing. Over there, look like a lot of people is over there, babe. You know? A lot of people. Yes. Yes, guys, so let's walk in. So she's inside, babe. Guys, we are going to get some wings. A glance over there, and it is full. So yeah, I think we went last year. It was good. It was okay. But We had stayed until the end. That's not going to happen today. I think last year was a Saturday, don't you? It was on a Saturday and it's a Sunday today. So probably if it is that it was on a Saturday, we would have spent the duration of the time. But it's a Sunday. That's not going to happen. And it's on 7 Miles Beach, people. So yes. Yes, 7 Miles Beach. So come along with us, guys. You smell jerk wings. Yes, Carrie said that he smells something delicious. It's a type of food. You haven't ate jerk before, Carol? Yeah, man, I think you ate jerk before. Say jerk. Say food. Look at the camera, Carol. A lot of people. I suggest to start from 10. Oh, but that's the number one full bad.
It's just cooking right now.
What's the name of this? Of your booth?
We're the we're the World Junior Martini. Yeah. So we're gonna be traveling to Tennessee. We're gonna be
Okay.
So this is our practice and we try to do the competition. Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Come back and get some more.
Alright, thank you. So it's okay, and come back.
Yeah, I don't give one piece of wing.
Alright, let me taste this.
How to know?
Let me taste.
Alright.
Come, taste. We can she taste that? Let me taste this. It's super peppery, spicy.
Alright, come. Sandra.
Carrie, you can't eat this. How is it? It's spicy, but good. Seasoned. Come, let's go. So the number 10 is, I think it's too spicy for me, but how is it for you, Leo? It's good. Alright, let's try line. Come, Carol, don't go away from your parents. I am okay. Yeah.
Number 9. So it's number 9 here?
And what's the name of your shater?
It's Turkish marinated chicken with some yogurt sauce on top. It's number 9 Turkish.
Turkish kebab. Yeah. Okay. Alright, thank you. Come, Cairo. Let's eat. Come taste. Alright, so let's see if we can taste this and see how it tastes.
Okay.
I like it. The seasoning is spicy.
Yeah, you have this kind of.
But I eat this over. But I eat 9 over 10. 10 is good. It's just my personal preference. Too much spice. Come. We are going to 7. Come, babe. We gotta do the shortest line first. I think last time we not did phase 4. So it's going better this time around. Then go in front of me. You have the ticket. Wing ting. The babe got number 4 for us to taste. Let's taste this 4 and see how it tastes like. Come. How that tastes, Leo?
It's seasoned, but I don't know.
I remember taste it. Oh, this is not me taste.
Very spicy. Okay, hot, hot, hot. Hot, guys. It's very hot.
Just season and pepper, but it's not my favorite. It tastes alright. It's okay.
It's like you could have fried some more as a nice soft, you know?
Like, you know, as crispy.
Yeah.
But it's good.
Very good.
I can't complain about the flavors so far.
Yeah.
It's spicy though.
A bit.
It's spicy for me. And spice. Alright, babe. Number 3 is pulling up. Let's go. They're enjoying it, people. Alright, so this is 4. So far, a 8 for me. That's not just bad, you know. He's gonna throw away his garbage. First one or second one or that one?
That's where the herb. That much is probably number
1?
number 10, the first one.
First one is yes, guys. To be honest, if me and the spice somebody, I think that this is a little bit too much one season. But it tastes good. But it tastes alright. Me and the spice somebody, a 5, would have probably go with number 1. Sorry, number 10.
Welcome. How are we doing today?
Okay.
Family, awesome. Good luck, my friend. There you go. Number 4, grab anyone, okay? You like some hard dough bread to go with it? That's fine. No?
No, thank you.
Behind me or behind me?
This is what, Sweetwood?
Alright. Sweetwood caboose.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. Turtle Center.
Alright. What's that? Oh, that tastes there. Sweetwood. Number 4. Don't eat it all off now.
Carrot, come taste, carrot, taste.
Want to taste it, Papa? Taste. Yummy. Want taste?
And this one's so far.
That's number 1.
Yeah.
Sweetwood?
Yeah.
Number 1 for me. And it's not even wings. It's breast. Number 1 so far.
Number 1. There you go.
So far. We only tried 4.
Here's the other one.
We only tried 4 thus far, but this is number 1. Thank you. Alright. Number 1 so far, a Sweetwood. Alright, come people. Sweetwood is a little spicy, not that much, and the season just on point in every way. It's just nice. It make you feel like you want more. Done. We're going right here, number 1. But some. Is it this?
No. Get your search stuff.
Alright. What's so far, Leo? Sweetwood.
Yeah, man. Number 4, I'm going with it.
Number 4, nice. Oh, the turkey center?
Yeah, we up so.
Far, but true. But it tastes good. When I like spicy and it's nice. The flavor
Yeah.
just eat.
I think kids them could eat it.
Yeah. Nice people. So we're back at number 1. So far we tried number 4, number 8.
9 and 10.
We tried 9 and 10?
No 8. So
10 and 9, 4, 3 and 4. And we're at number 1 now. So we have 2. And we have 6 and 7 and all these things. So come people. People out today, they're eating. May I enjoy this more?
And number 10 promise some more.
Alright, number 10 promise you. So you can go back and contemplate it for 4 or 10, right?
No, so far a 4, definitely.
4 nice, and a breast. You're surprised our breast and is nice, don't?
But it's small, so I know what I'm doing. You have enough time to soak.
Alright.
Carrot, up, leave the grass.
What's the name of this one?
Spicy water. Spicy water. Nothing too hot. Nothing too hot. No.
Leo, what this name? What this one? Apart from number 1.
How about your boot name? Where come to the name? This is prison. Where?
The prison?
Prison? Yeah.
This is the food. This is the food in the prisoners them.
This is the food that we are serving the public.
The public. Alright, so prison don't get them nice food there. Okay. Let's see now. Alright, so this is still a part of the prison. So we'll see how best they're serving.
What else? What else in the cassette? What's not there? Give me a keep up, come on.
Alright. Let's taste this. So this is
wait. Alright.
bite it.
Eat it now.
6 was really bland, guys. But I guess the fried chicken tastes alright. Ordinary fried chicken though. But probably they have the spice for the jerk. I'm gonna never take it, Ilya.
5 not that spicy. They're not spicy. They kind of more sweet. I think that's probably
6 and 5 is okay. The best so far is 4. 4.
4 and then 5. 5 nice.
5, that chicken you liked it?
Yeah, whatever.
No, a little piece, yeah. Alright, people. Alright, so guys, I'll be going for number 2. Guys, I'll try to zoom it up, but Leo is trying to the line. It's the last chicken taste. He's in that blue shirt and he has carrot on him. Boot number 2 so far, guys. Boot number 4 leading. Everything tastes good, you know. Thank you, person that put the buckets right. It tastes good. It's a competition between this and 4. So yes, guys, we're heading home. For me, it's 4 and 2 seconds. What do you say, babe?
It's 2.
And then 4 seconds. I like 4 more because I think that it brings itself, the chicken brings itself without the sauce. Well, to me, 4 need the sauce to bring it up a little bit above the top, but it's still good nonetheless. Guys,
2 need the sauce.
2 need the sauce. And another that made say 4. Oh, sorry. 4 need the sauce, but 2 never need no sauce.
That's the right thing, see.
Let me think. 2 need a sauce, but 4 never need a sauce. Yeah. So that's why me like 4 best because 4 never need a sauce. But then I think that with the sauce, even though 2 needed the sauce, with the sauce it bring it further up. I mean, I think so. I think it tastes really good with the sauce. The sauce is bad, but I just prefer that. Probably my personal taste. I just prefer 4. But hopefully the next vlogging we'll be using a different camera so you guys get better quality. You babe, hopefully. So yes guys, it has been a good experience. I really liked it. 1 and 2 of the food that kind of bland, but literally just 1 and 2. Majority of everything tastes really good, people. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna front. I really enjoy this Jerk Fest better than last year one. So yes guys, that's been a full day. I'm going out to bed and refresh and even cook. Until next time.